open world games can't be that perfect.
Yeah.
But you always dream of making something like that.
There's Super Mario.
I think the N64 ones, all of those early 3D games were very amazing when you first saw them.
Yeah.
On the N64, PS1, when you went, it suddenly was like these games, they're alive and they're believable in a different way. I think that was very interesting.
It looks unlike anything else.
Nintendo has that look, doesn't it? Always.
Yeah. And I think they're known for this Nintendo polish of every pixel has a purpose.
Yes.
And I suppose Tetris has that same real focus on delivering a pure gaming experience with as little as possible. It's really beautiful. And of course, Zelda really pioneered a lot of sort of the feeling of a world, but it's not quite open world.
No, but it's amazing. It's almost like the new ones, they almost, to me, feel like Hitchcock. They're just speaking the language of video games. Like everything's going to work this way and that way. It's quite systemic, but it's so, how it all glues together is so amazing. It feels like when you watch a Hitchcock film, it's not reality. He's speaking the language of cinema in a very, very strong, with a very strong accent almost. It's very, very cinematic. It's not realism at all. And that's what those Zelda games kind of feel to me, like they are these amazing things that could only be video games. They couldn't be anything else.